about this one? Center console.
That's where we're heading in the morning. Oops, sorry, sir.
No, that's all right. Looking. Engines. It's $100,000 in engines. Big live well. Man, oh man, what is that? Another 4 motors. Holy cow. Man. Beautiful boat. Let's see if it's try her. Yep, catamaran. Man, you can get 50 miles in 30 minutes. Just oil rigs.